It's 8:40. Today I'm going home for the weekend, so I thought I'd just like vlog it because why not? Today is Saturday. My new year has started off like complete crap and everything just went to shit so fast. Okay, I'm gonna hop on my live stream for a little bit. I'll give you guys like a little behind the scenes, but I'm gonna get ready for the day.
Similar songs on Amazon Music.
No, I don't hunt. Thank you for the roses, guys. Appreciate you. Hello, Jasmine. How are you, girl? It's like almost 1. And I did my live and now we're packing up.
You can't video me.
I am.
Try it though.
Put grenadine in it, it'll be pink.
2 more minutes. Want to make one?
Yes.
You want one?
Yes.
Put less milk in his.
Wait, I don't want anything to drink. I thought you were talking food.
Oh.
I have my coffee. I'm the cool dad.
Cool. I've been trying to tell everybody that I'm gonna post 1 video every day. Cause I mean, why can't I not? I was working my 2 jobs. I didn't have time.
There's more up there.
Okay. Can I get a
Fork and knife.
fork? Fork and
Yummy.
We're eating without Emma.
I'm guessing.
They eat without me all the time. This is the first time I actually got to eat dinner with when it was ready.
Oh my gosh. That's so mean. Why do you guys never wait for Dad anymore?
Because I'm a working guy.
Can you edit my chins?
Do you want to sit over here instead?
You took an applesauce dance.
What?
You did take your
I
episode.
put it on the whiteboard.
You want help
there.
painting tomorrow?
I didn't want to get any paint on it.
Fine, I know you hated it. You hated
It
it.
was better than any necklace I've ever had.
That's what I'm saying. You better say that, or I might sleep in tomorrow and not help paint.
Nope, not happening.
Actually, you're gonna like painting.
I know, I'm excited. I want to get paint all over. Can we have a paint fight?
You could be a painter.
No paint fight.
Why can't we ever paint? I know you guys are gonna cheat, so.
Run into the... Yes, that's what.
Wild
These are
card.
wild. Did you have 3
Ooh,
cards,
okay.
remember?
Any card that you want, any suit, any flavor.
Right.
Are you done already?
She's out.
I'm out.
1 more
Are you
to go.
kidding me?
Oh shit.
Can
Oh
you
shit!
Freaking right out.
Wait, you can do that?
I have
So 6s are wild,
I didn't even know
right?
you could do that.
Now you can because this is 6 cards, so it has to be 3 or you can't have.
Jesus, bud.
I'm gonna get one more.
Looks like I'm...
Yep, 11.
Dad, I was trying to get you less points.
I have 19.
Oh,
I was
she's
trying to-
admitted she's cheating.
Dad has 69. 47. 13.
Dad has 6.
47.
It was the summer.
That's how old you
I'm
are.
not in.
Me and Brian Adams.
Yeah.
Woo!
Good thing you don't have a job, so you don't have to worry about where you're gonna go next.
Yep. Great.
7's a wild?
Yep.
But now is the time to be working more.
We all see it.
Yeah, whoa.
She brushes her hair usually every round.
7 p.m. The Pacers?
We have 9 minutes. Let's finish
Damn
up this
it.
game. Motherfucker, another stupid ass thing.
That's tough.
Alright.
7, 8, 8.
To it.
Into what?
Watching the Celtics.
I'm into
I'm
it,
fine
but
totally
with watching
into it.
Celtics.
I don't care.
Huh?
I'm fine with watching them.
Are they playing the Pacers?
Yes.
I love the
They
Pacers.
kicked their
Wait.
asses.
I love the Pacers.
Oh no, that was Utah Jazz.
Can we
This
bet
is a
that
new
the
one.
Celtics win?
The Jazz kicked the.
Hey, do you want to do a bet on our own?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do a bet on
I'll bet
DraftKings.
on DraftKings. I will.
You're doing a $2.
You're doing
Oh,
DraftKings?
I will.
Let's do DraftKings.
Yes.
Dance,
Tyrese
you're
Halliburton.
encouraging this.
I want to try it. I've never tried it.
Yeah, Tyrese Halliburton will hit his points. I promise you that.
Alright, let's finish this round. Quick.
Alright,
Let's go.
eights are wild.
Quick. Don't fuck with me.
Don't fuck with me.
Rosanna started, she was going on the show.
Derek White.
Derek White is gonna score over or under 17 points.
Over.
Over for sure.
Yes.
And then we
How
have.
about
Wait.
How about poor Zingas?
Look at what he's after.
Poor Porzingis.
Jalen Brown has to hit 23.
Oh.
Jalen's not been on.
Porzingis, yeah, right here, 22 for him.
Yeah.
Oh, let's take the over on him.
You want to
He's
take
been
over?
he's been doing 30 points a
We'll
game.
do over for him.
Walton can tip it. Bryant with the save. Now you gotta get a shot here. Final seconds.
We do this. They both put in 15. We both put in 15.
You want to go
Wanna
with
do
the
it
Pacers?
We can go with the Pacers.
Sure.
Okay.
Really?
Sign us up
Alright,
for
it'll
30.
be Pacers and then.
Wait, do you want
Let's
to
go.
Because we want to. Our balance.
She's worried about her chins.
The big
Zoom in on the
bird?
chins.
It'll be zoomed right in.
And then Bert.
Speaking of assists, the pay 50 for the third time.
A lot has gone on since we were playing cards, which we still are playing cards, but now we're watching the basketball game because my dad bet on DraftKings. He never bet on DraftKings before, so now we're gonna watch the game.
Yup.
deep one?
Oh, that's what she said.
Well, our bet's actually pretty massive. If we win, that's a lot. Alright, y'all, I need y'all to back me on this. Does this TV look blue as
Oh, his face.
Who is that?
Porzingis is down!
In the eye.
You guys are done.
Seriously?
If he's out, you got your bet.
my bet.
If he doesn't go back in, you're done.
Watch.
Irate.
Alright, he's good, he's good.
He'll be fine.
Yeah. Alright, Halliburton needs to
Time out
produce.
for
So, game's not going good. Tell him why. I'll ask Mom, don't worry about it.
Poor Zingas.
Happened.
Scratched in the eye. Questionable to return.
We're talking about Porzingis, how do you feel?
I'm a little disappointed.
We just burned that money. Poof.
So yeah, the parents' bet's not looking good. Our bet's not doing too bad as of right now. Whose team are you on? You are such a good boy. Clink. Oh wow. That's actually really good.
Oh, wow.
Mom, are we gonna resume crowns or are we just gonna say screw it?
No, we're gonna finish watching the game.
Well, it's at halftime.
What is it?
You pendejo.
Better for
Well,
everyone
technically we
involved.
just did a double shot.
2 shots of vodka.
Dad.
No, technically I did a double.
That's like literally like 2 licks.
Pendejo. Me too.
Why are you swearing at me? This looks
Oh,
like dirty milk.
In Spanish.
That's what I wanted to do.
Okay, don't
Yeah,
don't
let's
do
do
that
that one instead.
Sorry, there is nothing to repeat.
So
Well,
Mom
there's
made
no
me
more
have the
rum
silk and I didn't want the silk.
I'll do this.
She likes it, so she thinks I ought to like it.
No more rum chata.
We're out of rum chata.
Here's.
That's what I was going with silk in it.
Pendejo? Alright, we gotta see how many points.
Alright.
We are still
What we always do.
watching the game. This is what the bet's looking like. There's 10 minutes left in the third. How are you guys feeling about Porzingis and White?
Not feeling good about it at all.
Stop reminding us.
4-point game right now.
He just got hit by his own person on his own team. Come on, Horford! Power! There you go.
Shoot. I guess I'll update you in like 5 minutes. We got our bet.
Come on!
Smith recovered. Right back to Tatum.
We quit on our games of crowns for this.
Because if you just lose, you lose. That's gambling.
What does it take to cash
We
out?
only lost $15.
What other player on the team scoring that many points? None of them.
He is.
He's sitting on the bench the whole night.
Ooh.
Just like, I'm sorry, did you say he scratched his core?
After Tatum put Turner on skates.
Oh my god! And he gets the points!
I'm upset.
I'm upset.
Right on white crime.
Well, this dude gets paid, what, $40 million a year?
Garrett's like, jump up, please.
What's a parquet? We need Halliburton to score.
Na, na, na. Hey, goodbye.
Alright, update. My parents' bet lost. And me and Emma's bet bust.
You motherfucker. You're right, it is.
Well, we could have some champagne mustard.
Camellia beans.
Giant green beans. Chips, if you have any.
Here.
Why the fuck would you do that? Got me lazy right now. Why'd you do that to me? Can't see a bag of sets on my leg. We talk about the pantry, stays in the pantry. I slept with my makeup on last night. I know it's totally not it. I smelled breakfast, so we're gonna go down and investigate the situation. Look at that. Hi, Murphy. Hi, baby.
You to wake up. Morning.
Oh my god. We just went outside. Snow. Oh, the floor's so warm right here. Hi, Murphy. Murphy, look. Look, Murph. This is snow. It doesn't look like he hates it.
I'm upset.
Why didn't you wake me up? I was up at 8.
I didn't get up. I got up at like I actually got out of bed at like 9:30.
Can you not get me in the background?
You're not. We gotta talk. Business. You're not in it, don't worry. We're having sister bonding time over here.
I love that. I love that.
You should go upstairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. You keep that shit away! Love you.
I knew it.
We were talking shit. We're going to paint.
Down. 1080. What? That's a boy.
You raised a good son.
That's a boy.
MPE.
I found Julia's camera. As you can see, I'm all alone down here. I think it's been 6 hours.
Stop the cap.
Finally got it all done. Got the fire going. Trying to keep warm. It's not easy. We're in the middle of a blizzard. I think we have 6 or 8 inches of snow. First real storm of the year. Finally feels like wintertime. A lot of trim to put up still. Drop ceilings to put up. You know, as soon as I do this, the kids are gonna want to move back in again. Why wouldn't they? Came out pretty good. Not bad for some rookies. Just kidding. The whole family helped. It may have taken about 2 hours. Came out good. We're happy with it. Continue on. How do you feel about the painting?
I love the painting.
You did?
Mm-hmm. I thought it was a really good bonding experience for all of us.
It really was. The whole family helped.
Mm-hmm.
Couple hours, no problem.
Mm-hmm. I mean, there was a little bit of bickering back and forth. I didn't feel, it was a little...
You say we had a couple of moments?
Yeah. Mom didn't like how bossy you were. Bossy. Yeah.
There you are. Have you heard Julia do any more footage this morning?
I have not.
We could probably start our own YouTube channel.
You're trying to be
A YouTube star?
a YouTube star.
I think we could have our own YouTube channel.
No.
No?
No, we live too boring of a life.
Oh.
We're gonna need to spice it up if we do.
Still snowing out. I think we're stuck at home. This is what happens.
Oh. What was that for?
I'm putting it in.
Kicking snow off? Emma, I'm scared. Can you please make sure we get there safe?
15 was a number, 17 on here was 200.
Roads are really bad. I think we're just gonna cancel our trip early. I mean, I feel like it should be sanded a little bit more. We made it. It's literally such bad conditions, we probably can't even make it to Hannaford.
I just didn't even move my car.
Oh my god.
Supreme triple chunk.
That looks gas. Oh my god, my toes are literally frozen. That side because I forgot to wear socks.
Can you grab me the vegetable oil?
Who are you talking to?
One of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did these.
Those are definitely not done.
Oh, good.
So it is like 2 weeks later. I just finished editing the video. I kind of left the end of the video without like saying anything. I ended up having a major issue with my camera and the software that I use to edit my videos. I ended up getting majority of the footage back, but there are still like 2 or 3 clips that are just missing. So the reason why I left the video kind of hanging off after we made the brownies was because right after that I went to go edit my video and import all of the videos over to the software to edit it, and then I realized legit 30 minutes of footage is gone and nowhere to be found. So I freaked out, cried for like 2 or 3 hours. My dad was trying to help me and it was a whole thing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I absolutely love going home and making videos for you guys because I just love the family content. It's so cute and so fun. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys could just leave a like down below, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, leave a little pink bow down in the comments, the little bow emoji, just so I know you guys made it to the end of the video. I am going home this coming weekend as well, and we're doing, so I will be vlogging, so definitely stay tuned for that video. I love you guys so freaking much, and thank you to anyone who watched the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys. Bye.